Hey everybody, this is Mark Newman coming to you from just outside of Precision Analytical in McMinnville, Oregon. I wanted to invite you to join me for kind of a heady, complex topic, and that's androgens. Testing androgens is something that we get a lot of questions on. There are a lot of questions really in the literature about the best way to monitor it. It's unique. What's unique about it is that we all know testosterone, but its downstream metabolite, DHT, unlike cortisol, unlike estradiol, that downstream metabolite is actually more potent than testosterone itself. Now, what makes it even more complex is that DHT is made within the cell from testosterone, but within that same cell that it acts, it's deactivated to its downstream metabolite, which is 5-alpha androstenediol. So testosterone, DHT, androstenediol. That all happens within the cell. That makes it a little bit of a complex picture in terms of what the best marker is to be monitoring in your patients for overall androgenicity. So we're going to look at that, and that's a complex topic. We're going to look at serum, we're going to look at saliva, we're going to look at urine, pros and cons. We're also going to tackle what's probably the biggest caveat to using urine testing in your practice, and that is that a small fraction of people actually don't make testosterone into the water-soluble form that we find in urine. It's a great reflection of bioavailable testosterone, but it assumes that conjugation, phase 2 metabolism, is happening, and in some cases that actually isn't happening as expected. So we're going to look at how to recognize that pattern, what it means, and what we need to do in light of that. So we're going to look at the best way to monitor your patients for androgens. Again, it's a complex topic. Bring your notepad. We're going to look at studies. We're going to look at case studies, and hopefully we'll have a better understanding when we're done of the entire topic. So please do join me for that webinar.